I'm in a field here in western North Carolina that has a really high intensity of bacterial wilt on tomato. You can see this plant here is wilting while it's still green, but then as you look behind me, you'll see a number of plants that are already dead or in later stage of disease development. This disease of tomato can really impact yields because there are very few management options for growers. When the grower noticed that these plants were wilting, he immediately called the local county agent. When she came out, she immediately suspected bacterial wilt because she noticed a few diagnostic features. First, she noticed that the plants were wilting when they were still entirely green, which is common for bacterial wilt. Other wilt diseases of tomato don't typically do this. For example, with verticillium wilt, you would see some V-shaped yellowing coming in from the edge of the leaf. And fusarium wilt, you would see more one-sided yellowing, either one or multiple stems yellowing, and or one side of the leaf will be yellow. She also noticed the patchy nature of the disease. Sometimes it can be localized in a field, but individual plants in that area may display various levels of severity. Then the true test came when she did look for bacterial streaming. She grabbed a clear plastic cup, cut one of the plants that was exhibiting fresh symptoms, not one that had been dead for some time, cut a few inches of the lower stem just above the soil line, and suspended one end in the water. She waited about 3 to 5 minutes and then observed bacterial streaming coming from the cut end of the stem. This test confirmed bacterial wilt. She did let me know and suggested that I visit the grower to confirm her suspicion. If you think you have bacterial wilt of tomato, reach out to your local county extension office to confirm the disease. You can also find more information on bacterial wilt on tomato by clicking on the link at the end of this video, which will take you to the disease fact sheet. Thank you for watching.